you just got a new PC. You might think it's ready to use. However, most new computers come with unnecessary programs, inefficient settings, and features that slow them down. In this video, I will guide you through the essential steps to optimize your system and ensure best performance. First, let's make sure your Windows is up to date. Let's open Settings. First, Display Settings. Then go to Windows Update. And here, click Check for the updates. If there are any updates available, install them and restart your PC if needed. This will improve security and performance and make sure everything runs smoothly. So, we are updated. Next step is removing bloatware. So, let's go back to Display Settings. Here go to Apps and Installed Apps. I have many apps, but I don't use, for example, films and TV. Uninstall. And I don't use family. But most of computers have applications like McAfee or Norton antiviruses that can be replaced by better antiviruses or trial versions of Microsoft Office. So those are unnecessary programs that you can uninstall as well. So go to the next next we have disabling startup programs. So go to search and type in Task Manager. And here you can see startup apps. To disable running this application after starting up your app, you just right click on status and click disable. Now let's enable file extensions so you can see what type of files you are dealing with. Open File Explorer, press 3 dots, go to Options, View, and scroll down a little bit, and here unmark Hide extensions for known file types. Press Apply, OK, and now you can see that every file reads and used has MP4 or TXT file extent. This is important because some viruses try to trick you with fake names like virus.gpx. With file extensions visible, you can avoid downloading dangerous viruses. Next, let's customize your taskbar and start menu. For better organization, you can remove unnecessary icons from taskbar and pin your most used programs. So, right click on the taskbar, go to Task Settings. Here I will unmark Task View because I don't use it. And scroll down a little bit and go to Task Behavior. And here set it to left. I already have it to the left, so I have my start account in here. If you have in the center, it will look like this. So, and to unpin unnecessary programs, you just right click on the icon and go to unpin. And if you want to pin an app, you just go to your applications, choose your app, click on it, right click, and go to pin to start, and that's it. Next, let's make sure your storage is running efficiently. For SSD, go to File Explorer, scroll down to this PC, right click, go to Properties, Tools, and click on Optimize. Windows now running Trim, which helps your SSD manage unused space and improve performance. Windows usually does this automatically, so manual optimization is only needed once a month. Never use traditional defragmentation on SSD, as it shortens its lifespan. For hard disk drives, follow the same steps, but it will just defragment instead of trimming the disk. By keeping your drives optimized, you ensure they run smoothly and last longer. Now let's install the essential programs in the fastest way possible. Instead of downloading them one by one, you can go to ninite.com and select the apps that you need and download them all at once. So I have it already prepared. Here is the site. I will give you to the description so you can go there directly. You will find it in the descriptions. So and scroll down a little bit, and here just mark things that you need, like web browser, VLC, Spotify if you need, some security program, WinRAR. Those are the most proficient for me, I think, and then just get your Ninite and you will start to do multiple download at one time. So and that's it. Now your PC is faster, cleaner and ready to go. If you want to know which antivirus is the best for your PC, check out my next video. And if the next video helped you, leave like and subscribe for more tips. Also let me know in the comments what are the first programs you install on your new PC.